Hey guys, it's Erin, aka StrawberriChan, and I'm back with another video. So it is another spooky box unboxing, and it's not one, but two spooky box unboxings. So we have two today. We have the Going Batty box, because it's got the little sticker, and we have the Dark Agenda. So this one's quite heavy, so I'm sorry my fringe keeps getting in the way. So I thought I would do the Going Batty box first, because I love bats. Bats are one of my favourite animals. I was obsessed with bats ever since I was young. So we're going to unbox these today. I love getting these because the merch is all like custom made. They make everything in this, so it's not like, because like I used to get Korea box before this, and it used to be kind of repetitive. So I'm actually excited just to guess what's in this. So it's all going to be bat themed, I guess. And so yeah, there's not a lot in this one, but we have a little list of the Going Batty box, which I will look at in a second. We have some empty bag of plastic. I think that's just for the stuff. So the first thing I see is something in this sort of Beetlejuice style print bag. So I'm just gonna tear this off and we'll see what I've got. We got sweets! Oh yes, I love candy. So we got Fizz Whiz Super Loud Popping Candy Cola flavour. I love popping candy. I haven't had popping candy in ages, so I love some popping candy. And we also have some Boom Vampire Gum. Now that's a gum I can get behind, because the vampire gum, why not? Let's do it. So this is the pin. Last time we got the one of the little blood thing saying you're my type, so this one I can get behind. This one says Nap Queen, which is very much me in a nutshell. I love napping, I love my bed, I love sleep, which I haven't been getting a lot of recently because I've just gotten a puppy. So I've been sleeping all over the place, so, but I do love my sleep, I do love my bed. If you ask my boyfriend, I just sleep the whole day. I could sleep a whole day away if I wanted to. But yeah, Nap Queen. I love the pink and black because they're my favourite colours, and I love this sort of print. I want to get like a pin board to put on my wall, but I'm possibly going to be moving out next year, so I don't want to put loads of stuff on my walls, but you can see the shelves, it's getting there. But yeah, Nap Queen, so I love that, that's amazing. So we've got something in this little black two-tail bag, and I love a two-tail, it feels so nice. Oh yay! I love key rings, yes! So we have a pom-pom with bat wings, which is pretty much my soul. This is pretty much what my soul would look like. Let's hold it the other way. Yeah, it's pretty much what my soul would look like if it was like, has anyone seen like the anime Soul Eater where you like see the souls of like the people? This is what my soul would look like, but it would have like, it would be black and pink, and it would have pizza also. But yeah, I love pom-poms. I'll probably put that on one of my bags because I'm going to college next year. So I start college next year, so I'm putting that on and giving me some spoops. It's so soft as well. It's so soft. Like, I wish YouTube invented like a way that you could feel things. Like, not that, that didn't sound right. But yeah, I wish you could like feel it. It's so soft. Glittery bat mini garland. Ooh, I can use this to decorate my spooky wall. So glittery bat mini garland, DIY craft, 2 glitter bats and ribbon. Ooh, I love it. So we've got some decorative things. So I'm going to try and open this without getting it everywhere, because I do that. So let's have a look. Ooh, oh wow, they go everywhere. So these are the sparkly bats, and this is the ribbon you put them on. So I'm gonna do that as a little project. Maybe I'm gonna put them on this wall here. Because I'm gonna strip this wall soon, so I'll keep these on call. I'll just hold them up so you can see. I love anything that's black and glittery. Like Killstar have these black glittery shoes, and I'm all about. And that's the ribbon you use to put them on with. A bat book buddy. I don't actually do a lot of reading, but I will be starting college where I probably will need to be doing a lot of reading of books and things. So handy to have, and it's a bat, and I love its little face. It's so cute. Even if I don't use this as a bookmark, I might just stick it on my wall. It's just so cute, isn't it? Ah, I'm losing things. But yeah, I love that. It's so cute. Look at its little face. It's adorable. I think this is made of like, yeah, it's like leather or something. Oh, hang on. Let's take it out of the box. I still got my stuff from my other spooky box, but I haven't like put it anywhere yet. So yeah, I've just got a little collection area of spooky box things. But yeah, it's like, so it's made of like, come out, doesn't want to come out the bag. So yeah, it feels like this nice sort of rubber, sort of latexy thing, so it'll stick in the book. I mean, I would read a book if like that was popping out. I'll just hold it to camera out of the packaging so you can see, and it's really bendy and everything. Do the little black box because I don't know what's in this, but I'm really intrigued because I have a feeling it might be oh, it's earrings. I don't have my ears pierced, unfortunately. So I'll have to gift these, but they're so cute. It makes me want to get my ears pierced again. I've got the necklace. So the necklace is a little bat, if I can get it out. Come on, come here. Yeah, it's a little bat with a with the Spooky Box Club thing on the back, the little insignia, but it's the bat. It's really cute. Now we come to the Dark Agenda. Now I don't know what this could be, but Dark Agenda, it sounds very serial killery, so I have a feeling it's going to involve like serial killers or something, but we shall see. This one feels a lot more heavier than that one. That one was really light. This one feels a lot more heavy, so I'm gonna open this up, if it will let me. There we go. So yeah, let's open this one up. Okay, so we have another bag of air. So we have, yeah, the Dark Agenda, so put that away. Oh wow, it's not stationery. So I don't know why I thought it was serial killers, but you know. So we've got this little pencil case with bats all over it. Fits in with the bat box we just had. And yeah, that's really cool, I like that. So I will open this up if I can find the little bit. It's hard to believe like all this is custom made too. Like it must have took them ages to design some of this and make some of this stuff. But yeah, I'll take it out the packaging. So we have this nice little pencil case, and it's this nice sort of pastel. I love purple and black as well, so that's another of my favorite colors, and it kind of goes with my wig. That says "Creep It Real." Does it say that on all of them? Creep it real. If you've got it, haunt it, and witch please. So we've got these pencils that match the pencil case with these little pink lids. I probably won't gift these, like hand these out to anyone if anyone wanted to borrow a pencil, because the bitch, these are mine. Like I love the purple and pink aesthetic. It's just giving me life. Have another pin, and it says it's a little to-do list. Carve a pumpkin, order pizza, watch scary movies, eat all the candy. That is literally me in a pin. Like, they've got it bang on with the pins this time. Like, I can relate to the pins in these boxes today. It's like, I just wish I could put them on something. Like, I have a leather jacket I could put them on, but I feel like they would go missing, so I'm gonna get a pin board and put them on there. I think this is a rubber? Yeah, so we've got an eraser for any Americans watching. So we've got this little eraser, or if you're American, rubber if you're British. Yeah, so it's a little bone. It's a little bone, tiny bone. Don't know where it's from, who has bones this tiny. But it's a little black bone to rub out your mistakes. So that's cool. I'm gonna have such the spooky aesthetic when it comes to like my stationery. I love it. Okay, so here we have some lists. I think. Oh, alright, awesome. So we have a Gothic stamps for planner and journaling enthusiasts. Okay, so we have a little wall calendar with all the months of the year on, and it's got like spooky numbers in the back, and we've also got a little journal, which actually part of my one of the people in my who I see for my anxiety said I should get like did something like this with me when I was like going through it really bad, so I'm actually glad I got this so I can do some awesome things with that. So that'll be good for like helping me with videos and things when planning videos and stuff, because I need my video schedule is completely a pill at the minute because I've got puppies, I've got a puppy, I'm preparing for college and everything, so I'm busy AF, so I need to schedule up. Sweets, which are lovely Parma violets. I'm not a big fan of Parma Parma Violets in candy foam, but I've had Parma Violet Gin, which is delicious. So my boyfriend likes these, so I'll give them to him. But yeah, that was the 2 spooky boxes that I got today, and I love them both. I love how different they are in aesthetic. It was, Dark Agenda was not what I thought it was going to be. I thought it was going to be something completely different. I thought it was going to be like serial killer themed, but I love it. It's amazing. But yeah guys, they are my spooky boxes that I got. If you are interested in getting a spooky box for yourself, you can go on their website and have a look. They do a lot of past boxes as well, so you may want to like buy just the one box just to see what you want and see if it's worthwhile. I think it's definitely worthwhile because you get so many different things and different things in it. It's not like you're getting the same things over and over again. So I love it. It's good, and Erin is a big fan. So yeah guys, if you do like this video, please give it a like. That'd be awesome. If you do love it, please subscribe to me because we are nearly at 500 subscribers, which is halfway to 1,000. Oh my god, that is insane. Like, how the heck did that happen? Feels like it just came along so quick. But yeah, and if you don't like it, who you? Why watching the video? Go eat Pocky and smile. So yeah guys, I'll see you in the next video, which is coming out soon. So I'll see you in a bit. Bye bye.